Hi folks, it's Dr. Richardson, and I want to take you through the steps for creating your first couple pages here on the course site. You will all be editors, and you'll be posting the majority of your work to this site, just like you would do to Blackboard. The site is private, so in order to be able to edit, you have to be logged in and also have been invited to be part of the site. So I'm going to go ahead and create my page because I'll be working along with you this semester. I'm logged in and I go ahead and click the Create Page button. I'm going to create a web page and I'm just going to go ahead and give it my name. And then I'm going to choose a different location for it, and this just helps us out with navigation here. Everybody's page should go under the participant pages. Don't panic if you forget this part, we can always move them later. And then I'm going to go ahead and create the page. Once I create the page, it opens up, and it actually opens up in edit mode. So my cursor's flashing there, and you can see I have some basic word processing tools. And I can type. My introduction will be longer than this, but for the purposes of the video, you get the idea. Please feel free to fool around with colors and bold and italicized and those kinds of things. If you have a website, you can always go and make a link if you'd like to. You do that by simply typing in some words and clicking link. And then in this case, I'm going to link to a website. There you go. Click OK. And then the other thing that I'm requesting that you do is that you insert a picture as well. And you do that by clicking Insert Image. If you have a picture on the internet, say at Flickr or someplace like that, you can use the URL. I'm going to upload a file from my computer. This is one of my favorite pictures of myself because I'm just having so much fun. I get a preview of the image and I go ahead and press OK. You have a couple of choices here of things that you can do. I could center the picture if I want to. I could make it smaller or change the size of it. I like wrapping. That'll move my text to the side of it. So you can fool around with those as well. And then I go ahead and click that. So this is my basic introduction page. It will be longer, but this will get it started. So I go ahead and click Save. The second page that you're going to create this week is your blog page. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Page again, but this time I'm going to pick an announcements page. And I can go ahead and give this a title as well. And you can make up something creative if you'd like to, but I didn't think of anything creative. Let's try this. Oh, I know. Richardson's Ramblings. So this is going to be my blog, the place that I think about things. So, you go ahead and give it a creative name. It'd be nice if it would have part of your name in it somewhere. And again, I want to change the location. This time I want it to go under Karen Richardson. So I've created a page for myself, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it under the Karen Richardson page. And then I go ahead and, again, create page. Now in this case, when it comes up, it looks a little different because it says there aren't any posts. So this is basically going to become your weblog, your online diary. So I go ahead and click New Post. I can give my post a title. And again, I can type something in. And I could type some more, I can insert things. And again, I'm encouraging you here, having a sense of adventure means being willing to sort of click on some of this stuff and just see what happens. There's formatting and those kinds of things. And then, but for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. Notice that you can save things as drafts, so if you're not quite ready to make them public, you don't have to. But I'm just going to go ahead and save this. I can always go back and edit it later. So now I've created two pages, my page and my blog page. They're not showing up here on the side yet. We'll fix that as we go along. I can go down, though, and manage the site. And this will allow me to see all the pages. So for instance, participant pages, I can open that up and I can see, oh, there's my Karen Richardson page, there's my blog page, and there's even my first post. So again, that was under Manage and then the Pages link. If you want to fool around with trying to edit the sidebar, I'm happy to let you try that. In this case, what you want to do is you want to add a page. So under Participants Pages, I want to add Karen Richardson, and let me just drag this up and click OK. And then click OK again. And I also want to move it up and then under the participant pages. So if you want to do that, you can. If not, I'll go ahead and take care of it as people create their pages too. Again, I'd click Add Page, and in this case I also want to add my blog so it's easy for people to find, and I click OK. And then it's right underneath there, but I want it to be underneath Karen Richardson, so I just click and there it goes and I press OK. I save the changes to this, and then I can go back to the site. And now you'll see when I click on Participants Pages, my name shows up with a little arrow beside it. Give it a try, see what you can do. Please feel free to get in touch with me if you need help.